What's up, everybody? I am super excited because it is officially week 2 of the Holidays with Kin, and we are throwing the coolest holiday party. I'm excited that my part is creating some beautiful decor. To check out what everyone else is doing for the party, make sure that you hit the playlist in the description below. And right now, I'm gonna show you how to turn your fireplace mantle into a winter wonderland. I know that when I have people over my house, I definitely want to set the ambiance. I want my home to look beautiful. I want it to feel like the holidays. So in this room, which is my dining room, I know that my fireplace mantle is definitely the centerpiece and the focus. If you don't have a fireplace in your house, don't worry, you've got options. You can do this exact same look on a windowsill, any flat surface, like on top of the kitchen sink. You can actually get a faux fireplace, which if you've ever looked on my Instagram, I have one in my dressing room at The Real, which I'm obsessed with because it looks like real fire, and get this, it's actually a heater as well. You can also do this exact same look on a bookshelf. What? So many options. So let me show you how I've created this mantle right here. The first thing you've got to do is create a theme. You guys know how I freaking love a theme. Love, love, love. I love a good color scheme. I feel like the red and the green doesn't really go with my home's color scheme. Some of you may be able to relate to that, and I'm like, guys, it's 2018. Christmas colors don't just have to be red and green. You can do whatever your little heart desires. In my house, I wanted to create a beautiful blush winter wonderland, so we created that by using the metallics, which are rose gold, my fave, gold, and silver. So once you've got your colors picked out, you're definitely gonna wanna pick a centerpiece, a focus point. And for me, that was this sign right here that says peace. And I actually got this at Home Goods. But you can pick anything that means something special to you. It could even be a photo of your family, whatever your Christmas card is. You can actually put that in a frame and also make that the focal point, whatever you'd like. It's just really good to pick a focal point as your centerpiece and then kind of build everything around it. So behind my peace sign, we actually have 2 boxes that I got from Home Goods, and they look just like this. And I have them side by side in the back. How awesome is that? I'm in love with IKEA candles. They are affordable. They actually melt straight down. They don't make a mess, and you can buy them in bulk. So I'm obsessed currently with IKEA candles. Just a heads up. So you just put that together like that, and that kind of just goes in the back. As you can see, we put 2 side by side. Now, once you've got your center put together, you definitely want to figure out the sides. I love creating dimensions so that it's not just all one level. So you want to find pieces that are at different heights. I love how we've taken these, that again, we got from Home Goods. And I love that they're all the colors and the elements, the rose gold, the silver, this one's almost like crystal, but they have different heights to them. Come through, reindeer. Yeah. Okay, I love that. And I love that they don't match. You don't want it to be too matchy-matchy. It has to look organic. Like it kind of just came together. We didn't try too hard, but we really did. Next, you definitely want to add some greenery. People, it is Christmas. You need a little bit of this in your life. So what I love is that this is not one big piece of garland, because just one big piece doesn't work for everything you're trying to build, different sizes. So I love that now they sell them separately like this. I got these at Michael's, and I love that they came in all these different sizes and heights, and you kind of can work with them to place them wherever you need to, and it looks so lush and beautiful. I even like these right here, came with little pine cones. These are just plain. You've got options, people. So I'm gonna add this as a final touch over here. You even can make sure that it hangs off. That looks so realistic, just kind of hanging off just like that. And I'll add these to this area right there. Woo! Now for the fun, the sparkle. Okay, guys, it's literally just ornaments. Go get ornaments in different metallic colors. These tiny little rose gold ones are my absolute favorites. Okay, so we're gonna kind of place them in these little areas just like that. How cute is that? So you're just gonna build it up gradually, and we've also got these. Again, these are from Michael's. Love how cute this is. This is rose gold, this is gold, and again, you're just gonna fill it in. And I even think this is something that you could do with your kids or your girlfriends. Have your girlfriends over, you guys can do the mantle together, sip on some wine while you're at it, play Christmas music, get in the festive vibes. play my album, New Tradiciones. Get into your huepa moment. Okay, but seriously, I love how this is coming together. I love how easy it is to do. I swear that this is almost like goof-proof. Like you can't mess this up. You just build it gradually. You're using your own eye to be like, okay, balance it out. There's a bit more over here than there is there. Let me add some more over here. And it just comes together so perfectly. Now that I've completed my mantle, I'm like looking back at it, like this is too beautiful to just be here. Oh no, I'm gonna carry this theme throughout my house. Am I the only one that does that? Let me know in the comments below if you have different kind of themes going around your house. I like to keep it cohesive so that now the whole theme in the house is this blush feels. I like to carry it on over to even the way I decorate my Christmas tree. I use the same ornaments that I used on my mantle or the same color scheme of ornaments onto my Christmas tree. And not just my Christmas tree, but also to the wrapping paper on my gifts underneath the Christmas tree. And I think it's awesome to also make it personal. So, doesn't get any more me than blush and lashes. I think when you're picking your wrapping paper, definitely make it represent who you are, especially because when people see that wrapping paper under the tree, they're gonna know that was you, girl, that was you. And that's what they're gonna think when they see my beautiful blush wrapping paper with the lashes all over it. I even love the fact that I use the same ornaments that I use to decorate. You can also add them to your gift wrapping, and it literally looks like jewelry hanging off your gift. Even when you thought that this wrapping paper wasn't very holiday feels, it wasn't giving you Christmas, then you add the ornaments and the ribbon to it and you're like, yes, come through with the holiday gift wrapping. So not basic. So naturally, I tried to recreate the same blush winter wonderland from my mantle onto my dinner table. Guys, I love this so much because it was so easy to do. You don't have to be like freaking Martha Stewart to make this happen. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. Now, I love that we again use these same detachable pieces to work around a centerpiece. In this case, the center of my table was something as simple as a clear glass popcorn bowl. Yes. And we filled it up. I love these ornaments. We got them at TJ Maxx. They look like cracked metal. Do you see that? So perfect. So we just filled that up. You can fill it up with whatever your color scheme is, whatever your ornaments are, put that in there. And again, just start to build around, start adding more greenery. Again, we added more of the rose gold. I love the holidays, but it can go tacky so quickly. It can look so cheesy, and I think that's what I love about this, is that it still looks super chic, it still looks fly, but it's not like tinsel just thrown everywhere. One of the things I love about the holidays is that throughout the years, you actually end up collecting more and more pieces, and then you break them out for Christmas time. And I hope that one day some of these pieces are like heirlooms, and these are one of my favorite things ever. This collection is my first wine glasses that I ever bought for myself, decorating my first home for Christmas, and I love them. So I'm actually gonna place these out as well. And I think that that's awesome that throughout the years you have things that you build, whether it be that I always break out this peace sign for Christmas or these same Christmas trees on the side. I love the idea that every year you don't have to rebuy everything all over again. You can just kind of update it with every year, add a little new twist to what you did last year. You can never go wrong with going metallic for your holiday party decor. This is perfection. I hope you enjoyed my party decor, putting together this beautiful mantle, keeping it cohesive with the blush winter wonderland theme. And don't forget to check out the rest of the party in the Holidays with Kin playlist. You can click on that right below. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy holidays, people. Love ya.